You just love making noise, don't you? Careful, you don't want to drop it on your toes. Oops. Henry J. Careful, buddy. You see the look on his face. What you doing here? What you got? You pulling stuff in and out? Okay, signing off.